How to draw a fox. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to draw a stunning fox, perfect for beginners and art lovers alike. Grab your pencil and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the ears and face. Start by sketching 2 triangle shapes for the ears, slightly tilted for a natural look. Below the ears, draw a rounded face outline with a slight point at the bottom for the snout. Step 2. Add the face. Details: draw the nose as a small oval or triangle at the tip of the snout. Add a curved mouth line just below the nose. Sketch 2 almond-shaped eyes and position them on either side of the snout. Add the line dividing the face into 2 halves, center line, for guidance. Step 3. Outline the body. Below the head, sketch the body as a long oval or bean shape. Keep the body proportional to the head for a realistic look. Step 4. Draw the legs. Start with the front legs, drawing 2 straight or slightly curved lines down from the body. For the back legs, draw a curved line from the body that bends outward to show the fox is sitting or standing. Step 5. Add the tail. Draw a large, bushy tail starting at the side or back of the body. Make the tail curve gracefully and taper to a soft point. Step 6. Add hair details. Add small, spiky lines around the ears and upper lip to show fur. Sketch fur along the body outline and tail for texture. Step 7. Add color. Use orange or red for the coat. Add white on the chest, tail tip, and parts of the face. Use black or dark brown for the nose, ears, and paws. Lightly shade for depth, or use markers, chalk pencils to make the colors pop.